Okay, so the blowhole's over there, and I've just taken a bit of a walk through this awesome rock to this bit because I saw some smashing waves from over at the blowhole. There's actually people rock fishing over there. I'm game, but I'm not that game. See a cool couple of shelves out there that fill and empty. Pretty cool. Love watching the waves roll in. I don't even know how long I've been here for, but normally I just stay for 10 minutes or so and head off, but today it's just been incredible. Too incredible to just spend a short time. So I'll try and give you a bit of a 360. It's a bit hard because I'm a bit precariously placed here. I don't know if that's any good, probably not.